How you doing? For those who were not able to make the Zoom meeting today, I'm going to show you what we did. You can try it at home. Okay, today we were going to study what your brain sees and doesn't see. And doing that, I'm going to do this little experiment. We're going to take a straw, 2 pieces of, what's it look like? Cardstock. Could be an index card. And some tape and something to write on. Now we're going to take the first 2 pieces. The first piece, you notice it already has lines in it. What you're going to do is you're going to put lines across so it looks like a cage. Okay? We want it to look like a wild animal is in this cage. And what we do, we draw the cage on 1 piece of paper. And then on the second blank piece of paper, we draw a picture of the animal we want in there. Let's see. Today I was in the mood for a pigeon. So let me make a pigeon. Okay. Whoop. Hey pigeon, how you doing? And you see his head, right? There's his pigeon head. And let's go make a neck and a body real quick. So it doesn't take too long. And the idea is sometimes the brain sees things that aren't really there. It's because your eyes and your brain work together. And sometimes they store things inside that you can't normally see outside. So what we do is we get a straw. I'm going to use this straw. Ooh, cool. And I'm going to roll up a little piece of tape. I'm going to put it on the back of the pigeon. Stay there. And then I'm going to attach it to the top of the straw. You can see how the straw is? Pigeon, right? Then I'm going to take the square. You notice I have another pigeon there. That was from this morning. And I'm going to put a roll up a piece of tape and put on the back of it. Just like this. See? And then I'm going to put that, you see this side, that side's blank. I'm going to put it on the blank side. So that pigeon, cage. Now if you start turning it back and forth real fast, it looks like the pigeon is trapped in the cage. And that's, well, they call it an optical illusion, but it's your brain seeing one thing and then seeing something else. And when it's repeated back and forth, the first image stays there. So that when you spin it around, you see the image, both images together. I know it seems odd, but it does happen. If you're on the highway and you watch the fence posts along the highway guardrails, if you stare at them the whole time, it suddenly starts to look like a straight line. It's the same type of thing happening. Your brain is tricking you into believing that the 2 things are together, even though they are only separate, right? So you could try this at home. You can see what happens, see if it works for you. You can let me know if it does. All right?